In a condemned building, untouched since 2014, a worker finds an old typewriter still covered in ash. He presses one key, and it types the letter H by itself. A logbook beside it updates on its own. H report filed, case ongoing. Every day, another report appears. Morning after morning, new pages. Officer S entered storage, footsteps confirmed. But there haven't been officers here for years. At 2:47 a.m., security footage shows the machine typing, in rhythm, with a heartbeat. The page reads, "Still here." Hours later, police servers sensed a new file automatically. Greystone_log_30 to c.txt filed by Detective Daniel Rowe. He's been missing since case 24. One last line appeared on the page, report filed by you. Case 26, the typewriter that still types.